Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a super cute multicolor Christmas tree keychain. It's perfect for decorating your bags, gifting to friends, or selling at craft fairs. This project is quick, colorful, and beginner friendly. Before we start, please prepare 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, a yarn needle, and keychain hardware. Make sure to watch until the end, because your full watch time really supports our channel and motivates us to create more free tutorials for you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, it means the world to us. Alright, let's begin with layer 1. For round 1, start with a magic ring, chain 2, then make 6 double crochets into the ring. Finish with a slip stitch. Great job! This forms the small base of our first tree layer. Tip: keep your stitches loose so the ring closes nicely. Next, for round 2, chain 2, then work 6 double crochet increases. That means 2 double crochets in each stitch. Slip stitch to close. You're doing amazing. The circle should look a bit fuller now. Now for round 3, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, 6 times around, join with a slip stitch. This creates the cute wavy branches of your first layer. Tip: make the chain 2 space slightly loose so the corners look sharp. For layer 2, work rounds 1 and 2 the exact same way as layer 1. Take your time, consistency will make the layers stack beautifully. For round 3, chain 2, then repeat 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase 6 times. Slip stitch to finish. You're building the shape perfectly. Keep going. And for round 4, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, 9 times, slip stitch to join. Great work! This layer should look slightly larger than layer 1. Tip: block the layer flat with your fingers before moving on. For layer 3, work rounds 1 through 3 exactly the same way as layer 2. At this stage, your tree is getting its volume. You're doing fantastic. Now for round 4, chain 2, then repeat DC, DC, ink, DC, 6 times around, slip stitch to join. Wonderful, shaping your circle should now be wider and even. Round 5, chain 1, repeat C, 2, DC, Ch, 2, 2 DC, 12 times, slip stitch to close. This creates the next tier of snowy branches. Tip: adjust tension on the chain 2 points to keep them sharp. For layer 4, repeat rounds 1 to 4 the same way as layer 3. You're building bigger and bigger layers. Keep going, it's looking beautiful. Round 5. Chain 2, then repeat 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase 6 times. Slip stitch to finish. Nice work. The layer should look full and rounded. Next, round 6. Chain 1, then repeat 1C, 2DC, Chi, 2DC, 15 times around. Slip stitch to join. This creates a wide, dramatic branch layer. You're doing an amazing job. For layer 5, repeat rounds 1 through 5 the same as in layer 4. Keep your tension consistent so all layers stack neatly. Round 6, chain 2, repeat 2DC, DC ink, 2DC, 6 times. Slip stitch to join. Your tree is now tall and beautifully shaped. And finally, for this layer, chain 1, repeat C, 2DC, chain 2, 2DC, 18 times, slip stitch to close. This is the final fluffy branch layer. Amazing work. Tip: lightly press each layer flat with your fingers for a clean finish. Let's make the star. For round 1, create a magic ring, then crochet 10 single crochets into it. Slip stitch to close. Beautiful start. This is the center of your star. Round 2, repeat the following sequence 5 times, chain 4, slip stitch back down, single crochet, half double crochet, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch. This creates the 5 points of your star. Well done! Now it's time to bring everything together. Layer the tree pieces from smallest to largest, sewing them securely in the center. Attach both stars together and sew them on top of the tree. Finally, add your keyring. And that's it, your multicolor Christmas tree keychain is complete. I'm so proud of your progress today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more cute crochet patterns. Thank you so much for watching.